Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this knotted headband with this fabric, this scrap fabric. So if you're interested, please keep watching till the end. So I have this fabric that I'll be using. As you can see, it's really stretchy. It's really stretchy. So I already have a tutorial video of a knotted headband on my channel, but that one was actually two pieces and there was an elastic at the back. This one is just one piece, so I have 21 inches of length because the round circumference of my head is 21. So because the fabric is really stretchy, you see, I'm not going to add any extra allowance for it and it will still be okay. And then the width is 8 inches, so I'm going to fold it into two and then go and sew it on my machine. So guys, after sewing, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to turn it inside out, just the same way you see me doing in this video. I will turn it inside out and then the stitched part is going to be in the middle, and then I'll go ahead and iron it, press it to be flat. So guys, after pressing it, this is what it looks like. So you see that the stitched part is, I actually made it to be in the middle. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be marking the midpoint of the both sides. I'll just fold it like that and just mark where the midpoint is from this side and then the downside as well. So guys, after marking it, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to, from the side that is actually going to be the good side, I'm going to place it like this. So from the marked point, I'll place the end just the same way you see, like that, and then I'll wrap it over, and then this other side is going to wrap down, the other side is wrapping up, and the other side down. So I'll go ahead and sew it on my sewing machine with 1/2 inch. So I'm going to still explain again. So placing the right sides facing each other, I'm going to place it from the midpoint and then wrap it down, and then this one is going to wrap up just the same way you see, like this, and then I'll go and sew it. So guys, after doing that, I'll just go ahead and trim out that excess out. I'll trim it out, and then that's basically all for it, and I'll just take it in like that, and then the knotted headband is actually ready. It's really simple. It's not something that is difficult, but for the people that have an overlocker, please just overlock the edges before joining it, so that it will actually be neat from inside. Because the last one I made was I actually made it and then it was inside, it was not outside. The stitch part was inside and then it had elastic band, but this one is just a single piece. So this is how it looks like. So you can see how the knotted effect is like that. That's basically how it looks like. Really simple and easy, something that you can use your own scrap fabric, just little fabric, to make. Alright, so tell me what you think about this tutorial in the comment section and whether you'll be trying it. Thanks, and this is the final result. Bye.